Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kyle with JetRenu Co. We picked up this dirt bike from a guy who bought it for his daughter, and she rode it a couple times and then parked it under a tree, and it's in pretty bad shape. So as you can see, this is pretty nice and clean, but you start getting up here and it just has not been treated well. There's cobwebs everywhere, dirt, just pretty bad. That engine is just covered in dust, everything. It's a little 4-stroke Yamaha 125 big wheel, and we're gonna make it look real nice and clean. Let's go around here. And the products that we're gonna use today are the JetRenu Blue plastic polish and the JetRenu dry wash. All of these products are eco-friendly and biodegradable, which is great. Right now we're just gonna spray this fairing, and I've got the dry wash can right here, and show you how it works. All right. So it's just an aerosol can, so we'll just spray it, and then it gets some nice foaming action. We'll just spray this fairing down. Yeah, it smells good too. Just soak in and lift the dirt up. Okay, so here we go. Man, that is really dirty. Okay. All right, so we're done with the dirt bike cleaning. We used Renew Shield to finish it off to really give a high gloss shine to all the engine parts. It also puts a super refined mist all over the engine and coats it really nice. Makes it super clean. We also used the blue plastic polish, and we used a little bit of the engine degreaser and a little bit of the protector for the vinyl seat to make that really nice and clean. And then we used the JetRenu dry wash to actually clean it, so we didn't have to use any water. And here's the finished product. All right. And we will definitely be able to sell this for a lot more. It's very, very nice and clean. Next video, we're going to be cleaning a jet ski we're waiting on to get here, so keep a lookout for that. Thanks guys, this is Kyle with JetRenuCo.com. See you then.